Amazing. The universe tree has come back. One of the stars from Super Dragon Ball from Big Bang Mission. The universe tree's sole design was created and was designed to create its own universe. The universe tree was created by the game master known as Fu. Alright. First up on drawing the universe tree, we draw the core inside of the plant itself. That's where the new universe... That's where the new universe will begin its new life. Here's the inner half of the tree's plant structure. Now we draw the other half, the bigger half here. Fu revived a few allies from past timelines to assist him in guarding the universe tree. Like Super Android 17, Metal Cooler, Turles, Dr. W, and always Toa. Oh yeah, and there's also Bojack. On the last time I draw the universe tree was a prototype. But have no threat, fans. We're drawing the real universe tree. You understand this? This is the actual universe tree poster itself. And now we're drawing it here and right away. Universe tree, you deserve another chance. Now we have to do is draw the roots. Here are these coils here are where the new universe is. These coils are where the tree gains energy from. Here are the coils here. There we are. The song that we listened to reminds me of Chased by Dinosaurs. I love that song and that show. There we are. Here are the roots from the universe tree. I consider the universe tree as one of my favorites. I haven't forgotten that the universe tree helped Goku in stopping the Game Master from fulfilling his plans. There we are.
God of Destruction is an ability in the Dragon Ball series that appears in the Dragon Ball Heroes series of games.
These roots here are where the coils to where the universe tree gains its energy from. I feel like this one should be longer. There we are. Alexa, play Celestial.
Here's Celestial by Ed Sheeran on Amazon Music.
You see tonight it could go either way. Hearts balanced on a razor blade. We are designed to love and break, and to rinse and repeat it all again. I get stuck when the world's too loud and things don't look up when you're going down.
See this coil? This is the last one.
Somewhere beyond the clouds, you make me feel like my troubled heart is a million miles away. You make me feel
There.
like I'm drunk on stars and we're dancing out into space. Celestial.
There we are. This pulse here, this is where the these roots here, these are where the tree's lights are.
Shining through the rain, 1,000 colors in a brighter shade. Needed to rise from the lowest place. There's silver lining that surrounds the gray.
I wish that the universe tree took its place on Walking with Dinosaurs, Walking with Monsters. I wish it took place on these guys, these shows. Sorry.
You make me feel like my troubled heart is a million miles away. You make me feel like I'm drunk on stars and we're dancing out into space. Celestial.
These are all the shows. Anyway, these are all the
We were made to be nothing more than this, finding magic in
these are all.
the smallest things.
I wish it took place on Allosaurus. It took place on Walking with Monsters, Walking with Dinosaurs. I wish it would take place on all of these guys. The universe tree, I dedicate my life to it. Pure-hearted, I owe my whole life to it. I've always did, and I always will. That's all for now, everyone. Farewell and good night. All credit goes out to the universe tree himself.